Antioxidant, and today we're going to make jackfruit monkey bread. With just a few simple ingredients, we can make jackfruit monkey bread. Cinnamon rolls, pre-made. You can purchase your favorite cinnamon rolls. They're 12.4 ounces each container here, and it comes with its own icing. 1 cup of our favorite jackfruit here. Brown sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, butter, and some more cinnamon and granulated sugar for a mixture. The first thing we're going to do is prepare our jackfruit. I take 1 cup of jackfruit that I've cut up into small pieces, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Form the mixture. See? Nice mixture. And then into a pre-oiled pan, we'll take half of the jackfruit and place it on the bottom of this pre-oiled tube pan. That will be the top of our jackfruit monkey bread. The next thing we do is we take our cinnamon rolls and we cut them into quarters. Each cinnamon roll we make into 4 quarters. We will then shake these up in a bag of granulated sugar with cinnamon. Now, I've cut up all the pieces of cinnamon roll, and in this plastic bag I have 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. We will take half of the pieces at one time and shake them up in the bag. Get them all nice and coated. This is the fun part. Then we take them, put them aside so you can see how they're nicely covered with the crystal sugar mixture. Place the rest in. Shake it up again. There you have them. The next thing we will do is we'll prepare them in our pan. Now we'll assemble the rest of the monkey bread. Place half of the pieces that have been rolled and shaken in the bag with the crystallized sugar and cinnamon and place it into the tube pan. We then take the rest of our jackfruit mixture and place it on top of the pieces. And then we take the rest of the cinnamon pieces and place them on top. I've melted 1/4 cup of butter, and this is poured over the bread mixture. The oven has been preheated to 350 degrees, and we'll put this in for about 45 minutes. Simple. We'll come back in 45 minutes. Okay, now it's been 45 minutes and we're ready to take the bread out of the oven. Wow, isn't that beautiful? We'll let it cool a few minutes, then we'll separate it from the sides and turn it over. Frost it, and then we have a little surprise. We're all finished. We've plated the bread, and here is the little surprise here. Jackfruit seeds, which have been roasted and blanched, and they actually taste quite a bit like chestnuts. I took 1/3 of a cup here, and I placed it on top. Then what we can do is just take the icing that came with those original cinnamon rolls and place it on top of our bread. We had 2 containers, so we've got 2 portions to place on our bread. We have a wonderful after dinner, dessert, breakfast treat. After school treat. And remember, serve it with a cold glass of milk.